Okay. Oh. Is it moving? Oh, let's go. Wait. Let me just check this. No. Yeah. Alright. Alright. This ain't me. Yeah, this nigga. Alright. What the hell? Alright. This ain't me. Yeah, this nigga. Alright. What the hell? Alright. This ain't me. Yeah, this nigga. Alright. What the hell? Alright. Oh my god, this was bad. Oh my god, this was bad. Oh my god, this was bad. Alright, is it good? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, okay, how am I doing this? Okay, how am I doing this? Damn. Okay, file, new folder. Oh, open folder. Okay, there it is. FE 8x browser, and that's what I wanna do this. मैं पूरा का पूरा Python में लिखूँ. I don't know. Okay, new window. Python में लिखूँ या फिर I don't know.
Python or that one. Should I write whole thing? No. मैं नहीं कर सकता. Python में लिख रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता. Right. So first of all, what I am thinking, like for the first thing which I should build is, so yeah, the first thing is I want to like build first thing first, I want to like build the initial thing and like search and then as a like all tools, which means that I would be building just a tools like search one, and there was one more thing, I don't know, search and visit page. And then for the base of requirements, I will just keep adding these tools, and at the end of the day we would be having a long text browser thing, and we will just then give all these tools to an AI. We will fine tune this. Okay, so that's the thing. So what search and visit through, that's the first thing I need to do. Oh. Search tool. And since we are making this for an open source, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make things every open source. Search tool and visit page. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So what LangGraph debugging. There was like debugging examples. Nigga show me. HTML backend long-term memory. Like agent harness talking now. Examples. What is RAF mode? Task, deep agent, file system, loop to keep agent. Isn't this just like? Alright, no worries. Okay, just first of all we will just make the search tool one. So for this I'm doing ddgs this pip. Okay, gotta go, and here I will get new file. New file will be requirements.txt. okay, here the first thing would be no, this not ddg, this one. Alright, and then there would be source, and there would be the one thing is agent.tools, maybe, I don't know. Okay, the first thing would be agent.py. No, agent.py. Actually I'm making a browser, so I want to make it the tool way. So maybe like not this one. I will just create a new folder, browser, text browser, and there would be an AI browser, AI for let's see how much viewers do we have. Okay, there are no chats, no worries. So first I will be doing this and then also the dot git ignore. Okay, then git init. Okay, git yes install instruction, git status Okay, that's the thing. Not live. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. Browser.py, and they would be having test browser.py. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Just इसे कैसे बंद करते हैं? Holy crap. How to close JED file explorer. Control Alt Y, Control Alt Y. Oh, and okay, but I have to reopen. Oh boy. Oh boy. How do I just files, Control Alt. Oh fuck. File help maybe. Documentation. Key maps. Yeah, all action gone. Okay. Key bindings. Alright. File Explorer. Oh fuck. There is nothing. Okay, there is nothing such thing like that. Thanks, it worked. Control on it. Control safety. Oh, Control Alt Y. I mean Control Alt Y X C E. Why that's okay, and Control Alt Y. What the? And Control Shift S. Oh, बड़ा अजीब है. Okay, anyway, let it go. Python. Okay, one of the thing is class text browser, and yeah, in there I will just write this. I'm visiting page. No, I'm not visiting page. CLI version DDGS. From DDGS import DDGS. Okay, and def init. Okay, and def search, I guess, search self, and there would be like query. Query is like string. Region is also string, and wait a minute. Okay, hell yeah, bitch. And region safe search. I don't think I should include this, but I don't think I should include also this. Time limit string none. Great. Safe region is okay. Region is string is us in. Oh, okay. Should I just keep checking this? Does I have any viewers and all? Yeah, stream setting. Oh, there's no viewers. Alright, let's go. Okay, let me just live. Okay, one view. We're using text browser. Okay, no worries. Time limit is also max result and t max is equal to exit 10. Yeah, pages and t is equal to 1, and backend is auto. I think backend should be auto. Let it go. Can I do this? Okay, this is why the oh yeah, that's right. Right, this is also right, and yeah, so return definite self. No, that's right. Return ddgs yeah, text. Where should I search this? Right, query is equal to query reason is equal to reason, and there was no self source, right? Time limit is equal to time limit. Max results is equal to max results. Okay. Page is equal to page. I wonder what it is. Page. Backend is backend is nothing. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's done. And this class is wait something right. Damn. Also want first of all I need to just run this. Let's see. I will run this whole thing in UV Python. UV Python. Okay, so first of all I run pip UV. Python is externally dry if it insta. Oh, I haven't tested. That's funny. Okay. I thought pip install Python. There is no, I think Python 3. Yeah, there is install Python 3. Yeah. So Python 3 pip install UV. No such file, cannot directory. Why not? Oh fuck. Pip install UV. Let's just give this whole thing to boom bam. Okay. Oh no. And here is our friend GBT. I don't want to store anything. Let's see what it says. This fails because all right. Okay. Oh, I don't want to do this. Very extreme memory. All right. Should I eat bread? Nah. Let it go. Oh yeah, that's 3.13, right? Come on, just do it, written. Alright, pip install UV. Okay, that's what it's for, right? UV need UV add. Okay, UV run, UV pip python. Alright, create a virtual environment, UV when. Oh yeah, pip install UV. Oh boy. I did install apt. What the fuck you saying? Alright, maybe I should just get this whole closed and then I will just write pip install UV. No. You know the first why the hell I did. Oh yeah. This confirms everything as done. Still fails. Okay. Oh no, I don't want to. Oh boy. Alright, no worries. Everybody's I have. Okay. Creating shared libraries, upgrading shared libraries. Okay, that's right. Python 3mlen.vn. Yeah. Okay, there only I will just you know what run rm-rf.vn. Okay, uv.vn, I guess. When activate, oh that's right, when no actually source dot been activate. Alright, yeah. Then uv pip, oh fuck, install -r requirements.txt, I guess. Oh, why not? Okay, requirement. Huh? No. Requirement. What the hell? Okay. Cat. It is. Oh, what the hell? Now I get it. Now this would. Acha, I got it. That's also good. Okay, now I will select. Oh, clear. Python, no. Python 3m source dot text browser dot browser. There's nothing there, so that will get nothing. But what if I just did uni dot best? I mean like unitest. Yeah. Unitest pip. Yeah, bitch. Oh no. What did I say? You know what? Just leave it. From source.text browser dot browser import. Okay, B is. And this is what we have. B dot search hello world. No. Yeah. Print. I will be doing this. Yeah, and this is what we gonna do. Test browser. Let's go. What the hell? Oh, it's not working. Didn't I? Oh, because damn you. Okay. Got it, bro. Got it. Alright. See. Title. Big href body. Learn about this. Title. Okay, we're gonna get a list of things. That's also thing. Now what I'm gonna do is like create screen. That's how thing I learned. Div screen. Maybe like not the screen. The view page. Maybe self. What it's gonna return is string. What if it's not return string? I'm not talking about this, I'm talking about this. What if it's not return string of list of string? What if it not? When it does return, there might be some exception over there. Anyway, I'll just try use this. Do I use this? Or maybe like use exception over there. I don't know. Let's go. Just leave it. Should I do this? No. Leave it. Okay. So whatever. There is also just like I did there. So everything would be alright, here we have, and this this is what we're gonna do. And here I'll visit page, no, display page. Did I write display? No, view page. View page. So what we're going to do is like every search tool and visit page would be doing there. We're doing the, oh yeah, that's right. Okay, should I arrow type? No, okay, sorry. Alright. Yeah, this one. Holy moly, this binded. You know, got it? Then for this also, we kind of have to pass a variable which means that would break the whole page, and then we kind of you know, like what I'm trying to say is, you know, there will be a lot of text chunk. Let's say there is a, like, you know, I want to build a frame, man. Frame tool. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So let's say there are, oh god, yeah. So let's say these. Okay, not good. So let's say this visit page and search tool return some text, right? So we're gonna create this whole into a store into some string variable, and then break this whole string into chunks, these chunks. And when what we're gonna do is like we're gonna send those chunks when visit page is called. So let's say this page number is 0, page number 0 1, sorry, page number 2. So what we're gonna do is, if there is call, if the visit page is called, then this chunk, any of this chunk would be called based on the page. Okay. Or maybe like maybe what if we make this whole thing streamable? So rather than getting this, we kind of agent can scroll over this. No, what is that scrolling? I mean what if the scrolling would feels like? Let's even talk to this. Oh boy, what if scrolling feels like scrolling? How would scrolling feel like? So scrolling would be like, if I wanna do is like, I'll just be appending let's say I want to scroll this person, so the whole chunk would be there, whole chunk would be there, whole text chunk, and there will be a window over there, and each of this would be kind of, it would be removing, and here I will be adding this, removing chunks, removing text, I guess, remove text, and here I will add text. That's the thing. But what if I wanted to add this? Okay. Let's say I also want to give a paginator view to all this thing. No, would that be not good? Anyway, okay, what if I give paginator view? That's what I'm gonna give. Well, that would depend like on the text. So let's let's see if there are such. Was there any people there? No. Yeah, bitch. Let's go. Okay, so let's say I wanna go more the pages. I wanna list all those pages. How do we list those all pages? List pages. Just search backend Google. Backend Google. What if I do this only? Would I be receiving something? Oh boy. Okay. I just wanna this browser inside the hello world. I'll just say weather of Japan, and then I will just type weather of Japan. Let's see, what would be the first thing? No, that's not what I asked. Oh fuck yeah. Yeah, that might not work. In browser.text browser. Alright. Oh yeah, this one. Yeah. So let's see. No, there is no. Okay, summer's weather and Japan weather. Alright, there is nothing right here. Interpreted. There's nothing which kind of. I'm testing only Google, right? I don't. Oh, there is a Wikipedia also. Oh, this is not good. This is never good. What do I do? You know what? I will add this backend also. Oh yeah, backend Google. I will just keep this to backend also. Backend string, and then auto. Okay. Backend is not used. Don't worry. I will using this right here. And one thing I'm also noticed, like shift slash should be off. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 okay, thanks. Backend okay. Why is not this? I have used it, right? Why is not? Maybe I should write such a way. No. Why this is so dumb? Redefinition. Have I redefined it? What the fuck? Okay. Anyway, who cares? Now, what I wanna do is like streaming, right? So the first thing it would be each of those search would be goes there. So okay, self dot text browser self dot browser content is equal to, which is just a string. And what I'm gonna do is okay, so this is the thing, Windows Alt Y, I guess, yeah. So this is the thing which I wanna yeah, and after this I will just call it this view page. And there is also, I wanna like do this div scroll page. Okay, pass. What I wanna do is scroll by sensitivity and scroll up or down. I don't know. Scroll up or down. Okay. I wanna do scroll this thing. Okay. How wanna do this? Cloud code. Don't want, bro. Anyway, scroll. I want like scroll up, maybe scroll page up or something like this, and maybe sensitivity just like this. So maybe I gonna add this both. You know what, I will just add this scroll page sensitivity. Yeah, this like sensitivity, and up direction. What we'll do is direction would be also float, I guess. I don't know, float, no, integer. Sensitivity would be float. So what I wanna do is like scroll the browser page. Yeah, scroll the browser page. What would be our arguments? So what's arguments? Query would be no. Whoa. Sensitivity would be how much words you want to scroll. This would lie between 0 to 1. That would mean 0 means maybe like 10 words all the way to 10, which is 100 words. 100 words, maybe like 500 words, and in middle it would be just, getting 400 words, 300 words, something like this. And then there is direction. Okay, direction would be positive 1 for up, which would be to the initial page. That's right. Wait a minute. Page up, page down. No, that's not page up. Oh, yeah, that's right. To the page to the start page, start start page, top to the towards the top, and -1, which -1 for down. क्या है मेरा में? Oh, sorry. Down. That would be towards. Hey, I should kind of control plus. No, control plus. Okay. Towards. नहीं यार छोड़ो यार. Oh boy. Towards the down. Yeah, I think so. I may have to like add literals. Read line, import backend. What the hell was that? Okay, from typing import is literal, and inside the literal, instead of giving literal reconnecting, great. Okay, reconnecting, great. Okay, anyway, this is what we have. Pass. Okay, I wanted to like make this search on the scroll page, but that's okay. Maybe like adding paginator or anything. I don't know. Okay, but how do I get all the pages available for Go? No? You know what, let it go. Pass. Then what I'm gonna do is, yeah, there is a content. So what I'm gonna do is like set content. Yeah. Set content. What if we have different tabs? Would tabs that matter? Yeah, that would matter, I guess. Tabs. Maybe like getting tabs. Yeah, that would get. If I can make this, okay. Alright, yeah, I can make this browser content, and yeah, tabs, list of strings. There's things to explore, so let's keep exploring. So what I'm gonna do is, there is nothing here, and the first thing I would be doing this is to get oh boy, yeah, get this get this tabs. Okay, I wanna do this. Self dot initialize page. What gonna do? We're gonna add some content over this. So inside, okay, you know what? I will just raise not implemented error. There also I will write raise not implemented error. Okay. Did I write that? Okay. Initialize page self. Okay, what I'm gonna do is initialize page me. Let's say we have this There's nothing. Okay, here are few things, which is backend. What if there is default backend, something like that? You means like, yeah, there is something default. Since I have a default backend, so I can change this whole thing. Okay, let's do this then. Self dot default backend search backend search backend. What do we have? Google. Okay, we kind of write in this. Oh. Okay, here only, and there should be, if I have done this, then there should be a tool over there also. So what we're gonna do is div set change backend self, and there should be backend new backend. What gonna do is just do this literal, and I wanna just okay, maybe like remove this. Okay, backend is auto means whole thing, and there would be all thing. Yeah, okay, there we go. A lot of things, I think that's really good. Literal. Okay, there we go. Okay, go. Hope everything works. Crokipedia. What if everything does not work? Mojik. Kind of giving a lot of things to my agent. Okay, that's right. And what we're gonna do is self dot default search backend is equal to new backend. Okay, return, what the hell I'm doing. New changed backend to new backend. Okay, I think I changed it. Okay, let's do this resolves. Maybe that's something like this. Is it getting something? No. Auto. Should I keep auto? Okay. The scroll page view. What I want to see in the scroll page. Yeah. First of all, I need to just do this initial thing. Yeah, that's what I see. This time search with default backend. Change search backend. Alright, inside the change search backend, what do I do is spell backend. What is backend? Search with what? Okay, first arguments backend available backends. Okay, which okay, let's do this. Let's get over this. So let's say I'm just kind of searching this whole thing. So there is query which is getting embedded here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is search query maybe. Dev what is this section called? Oh no, yeah, this thing about is equal to blank. What is this called? There was something like settings. Let's there's something like this keyword search without address bar. Yeah, address bar. You see, about preferences search, kind of search those things. Hey, this is kind of settings, right? Yeah, it's nothing like, but it's still nothing here. Show trending result, search suggestions, show search suggestions. No, I don't want to use this. How do I not use this? I don't want to use this. Oh, okay. Okay, that's not good. What is going on? Okay. Okay. Wikipedia, so everything is gonna be Wikipedia search setting. How do I default to nothing? Bin. How can I remove the default search engine to nothing in Firefox? About config. Okay. Search, I guess. Holy fuck. Default Oh, these are just like this only. Default. Default search. Oh, how do I do this? No. Okay. There's nothing there. What is called? It's called search thing, something like address bar. Okay, let's do this address bar. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like, alright, there are certain things I wanna do this, like maybe it is a text browser thing, that's why it's called thing. I mean every other thing would be a browser thing, right? So I will just say it's text instance thing. Maybe I know. Maybe not. Self.tabs. Should I using tabs? No. Should I? How do I should? Yeah, tabs would give a lot of things. Anyway, I should give this, but how do I? Who are they? Oh, nobody. These were all just mine. Okay. Alright, there's no one. Self.initialize base. Initialize page. Alright. This initialize page. What I'm gonna do is मुझे क्या करना होगा. Let's say मैं initialize base कर रहा हूँ. Then what gonna we do? Default search back in Google. But that's for one. I mean, even though I do write self dot address bar, which was the same thing. Address bar about none, I guess. About blank. That's what it shows generally. What is about blank? Images. I don't know, blank and all this. This is just a blank, no matter what. Yeah, this is what I wanted. It's not giving me that. Anyway, here I will just self.query, right? Yeah, I'm gonna set address bar, something like that. So what gonna we do is we're gonna make div set address bar self address, and then there will be self dot address bar is equal to address. Yeah, that's right. What you gonna do? Self dot set address bar is query. That's what it is. Yeah, that's right. Initialize base. Yeah, that's what I think about initialize base. So there are like tabs. How about tabs? You see, this is not the thing, which means Google or backend would be there only. Yeah, and that's not even the thing. Yeah, for each tab there would be different address bar, and each tab there will be different. Okay, which means this is not the thing which I have to. I'm in current page, current time, or current page. Set current tab is 0. Okay. Alright, maybe like -1. Yeah. What we gonna do is self dot current tab is equal to self dot current tab plus 1. No, the Python doesn't. Oh, it does, I guess. No. Oh yeah. But that Python, I don't think it does. You have seen many times. Clear Python. Python 3. C is equal to 0. C plus is equal to 1. C. What is C? Oh, kind of does. My bad. I'm really worse. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is like no, maybe like dict maybe. Yeah, I will just so metadata is equal to there, and this is how we have metadata. So what we're gonna do is default search backend, maybe like doing this Google, and there we go. Address bar we have. Hey, this is turning out to really nice thing. I don't know. And at the end we will just self dot current tabs oh tabs dot append maybe no, yeah, dash dot append. What's gonna be appending? Metadata. What? I'm appending okay, maybe this is what it is. List. This is that is a list which is everything. It be having metadata and all those things. Maybe like no. Let's just do it. Metadata. Yeah, let's just do this thing. Let's just not make the whole thing much more complex. Okay, metadata. And when I just say set address bar, and this is address, so for that one there must be a page in the slide, right? So let's say if self dot current tab, oh, if self dot len dot self dot tabs is less than 0, then return please create a tab, please create a new tab. No, I mean maybe like no tabs exist in the browser. Create one. Yeah, so if there is kind of, so I may have to initialize new tab and maybe do this. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, def close tab self, what should we do? Since I'm at this tab, I may like index, I may like kind of close another. Okay, index is equal to okay, index is equal to maybe like none, inside there. What if index, if there is index, I will just self dot tabs dot pop, remove no, pop index else self dot tabs dot pop, I guess. Right. Return last tab. Something is this maybe. Okay. Okay. Maybe like index is equal to len of self dot tabs. Maybe -1. Oh, there is 0th index. Okay. If len of tabs self dot tabs, if less than 0, then what we're gonna do is return no tabs exists in the browser. Okay, create one. Why should I suggest to create one? I mean, that's not the thing, right? F-mode action, create browser. Okay, that's the thing. Remove the last tab. Okay, remove the last tab, but not this. Okay, that's the thing. Should I just do close this the tab browser tab arguments index. Does it close? No. Optional close the tab of desired index. Okay, alright. Current self dot current tab. Yeah, okay. Now what we're gonna do is, what if we pop the large thing? Okay, I will handle this whole thing. Okay. Now, there was a thing called set address bar. If self dot address bar, then if there's length, then what we're gonna do is self dot tabs of current. How gonna we do? -1, and what gonna we do is address bar is equal to address. Yeah. Oh no. Maybe like get one. If there is no. Yeah, there is nothing to worry, because the whole thing is just a fantasy of this Python. Oh fuck. Python 3. What we gonna do? Why the hell I'm just so confusing today? 1, 2, 3, 43. -1. Oh fuck. Okay, that's nothing worries. Nothing more. Oh yeah, initialize new page. Should I initialize? Okay, that's the thing. Alright. nothing to worry. Okay, now what we're gonna do is like for each of this which is page content, I wanna see like is nothing. Oh, that's right. Okay, there we, I wanted also initialize page and close page. Okay, these are the tabs, but I want to like current tab में ये होगा. So what I'm gonna do is current tab. Oh boy. No, that's not the thing, nigga. Okay. B is equal to len of B. Okay, len of B is 0. So I'm gonna have to do is like nothing. मुझे वो चीज़ करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. Yeah, this is really not required. What we're gonna do is should I add UUID? Oh boy. Now boy, how do we make this kind of slide? Show all tabs, maybe like something like this. Close tab in slides, close tabs, div show all tabs, something like this. Pass, which will kind of show all, just the metadata, and div show all. Change tabs, self index, that should be integer. Pass, what we're gonna do is like change your current tab. Oh boy. Arguments, alright, index, the index of the tab which you want to change. Okay, what we're gonna do is like we're just gonna do self dot current tab is equal to index, and that's all. Since everything I've returning, what I'm gonna is return page of current, page of changed, page of new tab. Okay, here I just call the view page raise not implemented error. Okay, that's the thing. Call the view page here. Also, what URL is like here also. But anyway, I kind of have to do this pull thing first. So all tabs, what you gonna do is not implemented error. Okay. Okay. What page contact. Should I just okay? Okay, just like I'll just do this. Okay, and 80. That would be just right, and just write nothing in the page. Maybe like this look like nothing in this page. Okay, nothing to show in this page. And then again, I will just say, oh boy, 280. Yeah, that's right. I will just how this whole thing works. But that should be okay. All right, nothing to show. BD print BC. Oh yeah, that's right. But what is happening right here? Or what is one? Let me see. Maybe like I should add a little bit of this. This thing would clearly have no effect over this. Yeah, that's right. This thing would have clearly have no effect over this. Print VC. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay, nothing to show in this page. This is right. Yep. That's right. Okay, nothing to show in this page. What we gonna have to do? I kind of have to set up a resolution over this. Resolution. Yeah. Resolution. How do I set resolution? Okay. Think about a context window, for example. Just a second. There is no viewer, right? Yeah, there is no viewers. Oh my god. Oh boy. I have to maybe like stop this stream. I'm kind of enjoying also. Just a second. what I was saying. Yeah, the thing about this is how things are. It's not that. Anyway, oh my goodness, you probably know. Yeah. And then dummy, why the fuck this is so slow? I literally paid this for that. Okay, there will be a lot of them. Okay. Alright, just open buffering. You know what? And then dummy. As in, I should just. How much people? Let's go. Okay. Open panel. Alright, top fans, top chat. How much I can. Yeah, but there's. Index, okay. It's like your large page. What gonna do? Ho ho ho. We're gonna add some content over this. Okay, that's right. Now what I'm gonna do is. Oh, right. Nothing to show in this page, and there is a self.address bar. No tabs exist in the browser. Okay. मेरा दिमाग how work है? Append metadata. Page content is also this, and here it is. What we gonna do is, like, let's say a is equal to something like this. Okay, what is a? Yeah, and there is a resolution over this, that how many things we gonna say, how much words we gonna do it. So let's say the resolution is 1920. Resolution is equal to 1920 to 720, something like this. I don't know. Okay, what the hell is not getting brighter? Anyway, so 192. No, what was that? No, resolution. How much words? Can I just make that thing like a TikTok? And oh yeah, and I can completely give that model for this. Holy moly, yeah. Whatever. Yeah. That's right. That's right. I can give it for a model. Anyway, for now on, I think I can give. What for I'm doing this all? For this one. Okay. Alright. For that Gaia one you're doing, I guess. Alright. So overall resolution would be resolution 0 into words, max words. Okay, resolution 1. Okay, so how much max? Oh fuck, words are, yeah, I mean that thing. What is the token length of this? Okay. Okay. Now let's just do 640 into 640. I wanna use that grok one, right? What is, how much it is? Oh my god, this is still not good. Okay. What I wanna do is, let's take 5k, 500k. 5k is like 5,000. Yeah. And how would I define it? So 250 के लिए होता है 50 into 50. Is it नहीं? How gonna use this? How I'm going to use this first? Okay, grok. More results from grok. Grok started. Docs and rate limits. Here, how much I can use this? Token per minute. We have to kind of think about this. That's what I'm thinking. Grok mini, grok compound, rate per day. No, that's not good. What if I use 14k? Oh, llama 3 billion. 12k. Okay, 12k. Okay, 12k. I can get this. This much is pretty good. Rate per minute. Okay, this much is pretty good. Token per day, and yeah, 12k. So I think I should have 12k. Okay, that's really pretty depressing. Okay, 12k. So how much it is making? 12 के भी नहीं हो रहा है भाई. Oh my god. 12. So the square root of this would be list. This was 50-50, so I can have 100. Nah. 50 into 10. 50 into 10. Why the hell my math is not mathing? It's not that much. Damn it. Okay, anyway. Although I can kind of use this only, so let's just directly use resolution as 190k, 18k, 12k I guess. Yeah, 12k. And then every word should have been filtered, but we don't know that that would be complete 12k. That's right, we can't know for sure. How would I be making that thing work? 12k is really less words, right? You know what? Just keep this thing. Okay, resolution is equal to 12k. 12k, and which is what it is. Self dot resolution. No. Resolution is equal to resolution. Okay, what we're gonna do next is we can kind of have to figure out the words. From what words do we have to what words? I mean, like, let's say we have this kind of words, then defined. And let's say if we have resolution is equal to 10, of course. So first of all, I'm a dot split. Oh yeah, this was the whole thing. What the fuck was that? Might be recording, but for every model is not good. Put that far. Okay, I can do this. Yeah, I can do this. See, tokenizer, right? Okay, but not now. Okay. Then L new is equal to a dot new. So what we're gonna do is, for joining, okay, that's the thing. And there, let's say we have a resolution of 10, which we wanna do is scroll this, and yeah, resolution of 10. But what if that was really right? It won't be. Okay, so for there, oh yeah, yeah, here's what this page, new page content is equal to, yeah. Then what we're gonna do is new page content dot split. Alright, and here we have, and here also, if we wanna kind of we wanted to return new page, maybe we kind of have to is not implemented here, because we kind of have to return view page. Okay, then we have a new page content, and we have the resolution is recently 12K, but maybe I should decrease that 5K. Alright, okay. Really blank over this. New page metadata, append metadata, not implemented here, because we kind of save same view page over this and returning the view page of this. But and when we were returning, we kind of returning this with whole metadata, which is yeah. Yeah. So let's say I wanna have return new new, how much it is. How do I get the difference where I have to? One of the thing is start page and end index, which is length of. So end index would be length of, yeah, end index would be length of new, length of new minus 1. Okay, one of the things is, and start index would be start index 0. Then I have to, and we have the resolution which is 10, but still I have resolution which is okay. I will 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 5. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, like, I have to implement I have to implement scroll page and view page. That's what I have to do. Okay, what gonna do? Maybe like set page content also, no? Yeah, that's also the thing. That's not the worry of mine right now. Div set page self temp pass set page address. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I've written a lot of code right now, but kind of have to do this, which is new okay, new so start index is 0, current start index is 0, and that's thing 0 2 0 plus 5, current index plus resolution. That's what I want. Okay. Oh yeah, that's the thing. What if we have 10? That will work. What if we have 11? That will also work. What if we have, okay, now kind of have to do this. So let's define current start index. Start index length of content. This is length of content, len of new page content dot split. Okay, this is what we have, length of content. Yeah, something like that. Now what we want to do is current index, that's what current index. What is current index? We have current index 0. Okay, when we are starting this, current start index. Okay, and current end. What is current ending index? Current end index. What the? Content what? It's actually the length of, what if new page content dot split. Right now it's just nothing. -1, but that's the thing. What we're gonna do is, it's not that much varies. And even though I've said that maybe there would be the case where our new page content might grow much bigger, or maybe maybe the our resolution get much more smaller. In any case, I cannot rely. Okay, just believe it. That won't be the case. But the thing is, again, I kind of have to scroll this thing and get the page. Okay, first of all, let's just scroll the page. Scroll the page. Okay, so all those things would be at the top. Initialize the page there only. Let us scroll. Yeah, there we go. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna scroll the current page only. What if it does not? Yeah, up to the page. What if I just give a page? Okay, that's right. See that grid. Go down, connect. Let's see. Dhruv Sharma, Yashi, Varun Gupta. Who is Varun Gupta? Tanay, Varun Shapra, Sap, Pra, Sachin Dikshit, Angad Dogra, Agrima Mani. Who the hell is Yash Agarwal? Do I know him? I know Sampurna Rai, but she didn't have connected rate. Does he hate me? Oh wow, that's great. He's working at Oracle. This is right. This is really nice. Okay. Sincerely, there were many people at Oracle. Wait, are you pretty? Project intern. Pragya Agarwal. Yeah, Dipan Sharma. वो मेरे को कनेक्ट साला not working at anywhere, right? Fuck. Oh boy. Yo. चेहरा जैसे बदल इनपुट वो होने ये बंदा अभी तक कर के रहा है तने गर्ग Oh boy. Alright. मैं खुद ही का Alright. So Ray is not implemented error. Why the hell I've written it? Okay, that's why I done it. No. Scroll page would be just this. Here I will just return view page. So the thing is, let's say I want to scroll page to the, so start would be going to fuck yeah, what I want to, like, let's say the start would be current start is 0, right? Current end is of course length of new -1. That's right. Okay, but I want that the thing, since resolution is, I want my whole thing is like, okay, so this is the same thing I was discussing. So let's say this is the frame, and yeah, so this is the whole text, although this whole text is in the chunk, but that's just for design only. So what I'm doing is, like, when the context window would just scroll from here to here, it won't just get there. I mean, it would just this part won't be getting more away from, I mean, getting far from this the whole length. So what we gonna about this whole context window, this whole window would do is like bounce in between this port 2 rather than overflowing from right. So since this is the index of here is this, and this is like length of words, or kind of say content -1. So, and this is the resolution. What we're gonna have to do is, making this whole thing. So let's say the first thing would be, it would be from, let's say here, the words would be starting index from 0, and the last would be 0 from 0 plus res, which is, in other sense, this would be start to start plus res, yeah. And let's say I want to scroll this whole thing, then it would be start, yeah, that's maybe like current start should be current start. No, yeah, then the current start would be go to this, to the res here. So from here, which is current start, we're gonna have to current, okay, that's this in start plus, holy crap, this would be always this only, current start plus res. What the hell I'm thinking? And what about the scroll? So let's say I'm going to scroll this, so that would be start minus res, or maybe like resolution to start minus resolution. Basically what we're gonna do is, like, we first thing would be doing is calculating res. That would depend upon sensitivity and direction. Yeah, second thing would be, if we want to kind of, since this is getting negative, if res is negative, then what we want to do is, the new res would be is res if let's say res is negative, which we wanna do this up thing. So here this I need to configure, is res is greater than 0. No, that's not that. Is start, which is current start minus res, is less than 0. If less than 0, then it would be just 0. Res would be 0. Otherwise it would be start minus res. And else if res is far greater than 0, then what it would be, then what it would be is like, then would be res is start plus the current res is greater than length of content -1. If it is that, then it would be, if it is greater than this, then this res would be returned. Oh fuck, there's a problem here. Okay, this might have. Oh, I was kind of doing something wrong here. I'm just not understanding the whole thing. Start. That's what I want to say, that if this is this is the case, then what we're gonna do, res should be res, otherwise it would be, no, that would be, if this is the, then it's a content -1, else it would be just res. Okay, and third would be getting the content, so whole content, and start is equal to 0. Yeah, that's the thing. Start, no. Okay, let's calculate the sensitivity. Okay, if let's just, instead of calculate difference, maybe I will just say difference, or maybe calculate offset. Fuck, there's no way to write anything else. First, how am I making this? First, calculate offset sets. That would depend that would depend on sensitivity and direction. Sensitivity would be just a coefficient of offset. Second thing, let's say if offsets is less than 0, if let's say offset is less than 0, then our new start would be which is current start. What would be current start? Current start would be 0 if start, no, not start, idiot. Current start minus res. Oh boy. Minus current start minus res is greater is less than 0. Oh, why the hell I've written res? Offsets is which is current start minus offset is less than 0. Else, if that's not the case, then the current start would be the current start would be else current start would be just that only. No, current start would be offsets, basically f0, if that's the thing, and else we'll just go there. Yeah, that's the thing. Now if the offset would be that, then yeah, that's the thing. What would be the current, what would be the end? Okay, and also have to do this thing with that, and current end. Hey, that would depend on direction, right? Current end, which means like if Why? I have to just start and this end only. Okay, that's just a screen. End would be end f current start. No. End would be end f plus end is greater than length of content minus 1. That's the thing, which is itself a current end. Yeah, if this is else if it's not, then it's just simple current start plus end offsets. Okay, that's the thing. No. What if that would be another case, which means that what if it's offset? Yeah, I want to do, let's say we have direction is positive 1. How do we have defined positive? 1 for up, towards up, which is negative. Oh fuck. 1 is for down, idiot. Minus 1 for up and 1 for down, towards down. Yeah. So 1 4 is down and another is for minus 1 is for up. Yeah, that's the thing. Now what we're gonna do is let's say sensitivity, and this is not how we should depend. Direction, how the direction would be. Let's if the direction is less than 0, which is what we're gonna have is we kind of having it upside of, which is this. We kind of having this is the original content and we are moving this whole content window. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is moving this. So let's say direction is up, then what we're gonna do is offset. It's going offset rather than end. What the fuck is this? Offset. Yeah. What if this fits? End is equal to, and start would be just oh fuck. Yeah, that's right. It's less than 0, then everything would be minus here. I may have done something wrong here. Isn't there something? What? I just wanna select mark you lasso. Yeah, lasso. Alright. Oh fuck. Actually, this is how you're gonna do this. just don't understand those. Yeah. And then I will write in there and is equal to, you know what, I'm just wanted to like okay. Alright, this is not gonna okay. Yeah, and end would be 0 f current dot end minus offset is less than 0, else current dot end minus offset. What's hell? Yeah, fuck. Again, start would be end f current start plus offset is greater than current end, else current start plus offset, else यहाँ पे current end what the hell does just happen? Was there something? Then I gotta sit there. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Yeah, that's the thing. Let's do this sensitivity thing. I wanna make it sensitivity. What if the sensitivity is very low? The -1? Yeah, especially the -1. I mean, sensitivity would be 0 to 1, 0 to 1, right? Sensitivity, and since we have resolution, it kind of adds sensitivity over it, and since the direction is, yeah, that's right, offset would be only detect depend on the sensitivity. So let's say we have resolution into 0.6 maybe. Okay, that 6 import math. Okay, let's say resolution you have what do we have added? 8k now, 8k raise into 0.7 0.7678. How 77. What if 17? No. 314. 0.314. Fuck. Oh, holy fuck. What's happening? 0.00. No way. Okay, anyway. Math.c yeah, 22 divided by 7, that's the thing, right? 4. But I also have to write what does Hana though. Reso into 0.314. This was already reso into 0.314. This is right. Okay, scroll page. Offset is equal to self dot resolution into sensitivity. That's right. Math dot c import math. There's nothing. Offset if direction direction oh direction is less than 0, which is of course it's literal. Then what we're gonna do is start and okay, what we're gonna do is like self dot tab, self dot current tab. That's what we had. So start page, current start page, or current end page. Oh fuck. Current start index, current start chunk, maybe like word and word. What if yeah, that's the thing, which is what if I know that's the thing. Current start that's the thing. I mean, what if that would mean nothing, right? I mean, it would always both these two. Okay, the start is kind of mixing, but end doesn't make, even if plus is down, yeah. And if current resolution, right? Now that's what I have to write about that. But that's not possible, right? I have already, it's not current end I have to write, it's like length of whole. length of whole content, maybe. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, that's what I ask. That's what I want. Length of content. Length of content -1. Length of content -1. Although right now it's that, but we cannot just trust this. Okay. Length of contents is self dot tabs here. Current start with, yeah, length of contents -1. Yeah, that's the right. Holy fuck, I'm right. Okay. So yeah, start diff is equal to 0, direction which is up, -1 is for up. Yeah, that's if it was if current start, if current start minus offset is equal to greater than 0. It's less than 0, I guess. Else it would be current start minus offset set 0 if current end minus offset is less than 0. Else it would be current end minus offset. What means start is equal to what? Start would be end. No, that's not the thing. Start would be like what? Hey, no, that's not the thing. Length of contents. Yeah, that's the thing. I don't want completely shrink also. That's also the thing. So what we're gonna do is length of contents. Yeah, the start. Yeah, that's the thing. If no, why would we that? Yeah, fuck. Shit. Self dot resolution. That's what I want. Key. Oh boy, I don't know. If current is end minus offset is less than 0, let's say the current end minus offset is less than 0, is less than current end minus offset. Whoa. I don't know, there would be any theme effect. I mean, if even though we that would completely start would make sense, but the end. Oh boy, I'm stuck at this fucking for loop. Ugh. My mind has been collapsed. Okay, maybe like end would be 0 plus 0 current end minus offset. Yeah, but maybe that offset would go beyond there, but maybe there's also for that only. Let's say if I don't want to make this, I mean that would be makes that current in minus offset is less than 0, which is negative, I guess. Okay, that's it. Yeah, and if that's right, what will the start self dot resolution f oh okay, length of contents minus self dot resolution. This resolution is just okay, let's say 2. Plus 1. Why? Because just think about, let's say there are 3 contents 0 1 2, yeah, so since we have length of content like minus 1, so that would be making 3, like 0 1 2, I mean yeah, 0 1 2, yeah, let's say we're gonna add 3, and then when we have self-dot resolution, which is 2, then if we minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. That doesn't want. I want that this would be fixed on this 2. So yeah, that would be fixed on 2. If start is equal to start content, if that is when we are having if show current start hai, which is if current start plus offset would be greater than length of contents. Current start, yeah, that's what I think. End. Yeah, that shouldn't be end. Else that would be simply current start plus offset. Yeah, that's the thing. What end? Oh boy, what happened? What's happening? What if end is equal to end is equal to end? Current f self dot fff current dot end. There was something. Oh, maybe like दो बज चुका. Current in plus offset, right? Current in plus offset is greater than length of content. If this is greater than length of content, then just add the current end. Yeah. Else current in plus offset. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay. That's right. And then we wanna set those things to set start and end, which is so what we're gonna do is self.tabs current tab self.current tab current start word is equal to start and current end word would be end, and nothing will be changed. And yeah, that's the thing. Current start would be start and current end would be end. That's right. Yeah. That's what I want to be that way, which is also what I want. And self.return view page. Yeah, why not just I return this view page since there's nothing wrong. Yeah, just return self dot view page. Okay. No. Set content, I guess. Yeah, scroll page. Scroll page हो रखा है ना. Set content. Yeah. Maybe like try. Okay, what I want to write is search content is equal to f nothing found and exception occurred while searching and this is what we have. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, let me now write into 80 and then okay, just this only, yeah. Here what we're gonna write is this STRE. Okay. And then we wanna do is self dot set page content. This is where I will just search content. I will just write this thing. Okay. And here search results. I'll just write the query, I guess. No. Just nothing. Yeah, nothing. Set page content. I will just. This should be just a string. Yeah, this should be just a string. So what we're gonna do is let's say as rest of that thing. That's what we have, right? Loading. Alright, right. How do we gonna test this whole thing? Is this correct even? Actually enjoying this a lot. Oh, this one. That's the one. Search content. The search content is literally this. So what we're gonna do is search content is equal to dot join join for content, maybe like SNE. Oh fuck. Not this one. Maybe I have to create a new window. Yeah, and here I will just search collab. Oh fuck. Okay, new collab. Okay. Oh wow, that looks great. However, doesn't go on looks, bro. DDGS. Okay. Pip install DDGS. And here what I'm gonna do is what the hell is this? Do we need now? Or DDGS, and yeah. Control it. Result self dot, oh boy, query fuck, from DDGS import DDGS. Okay, query docs, something like that, region. Okay, page result. Okay, this is what we have result. What if that's what we're gonna get, right? So oh, result. What the hell? Why the hell? अबे ये क्या हो रहा है? क्लिक क्यों हो जा रहा है? ओके, n ओके, dot join for res are in result. So f, oh boy, so r dot title, and yeah, and then here I will say r.get body, href and maybe like I just want to make sure that's okay. And then what gonna we do is, oh, I don't want, oh shit, and then which is r.get body, yeah. Oh yeah, that's the thing. Should I just click this? बॉडी के अलावा और कुछ है क्या? नहीं. Dog. Oh yeah. Why not just print this? Print. Okay. Yeah, this looks great. This really looks great. Woof. R dot dogs. Really good. This is really great. Okay. R result, search content. नहीं result. Yeah, and set contents. Kind of did it bros. So yeah. Right on that. I also want to like check if this thing kind of working all backend Google. Nothing's changed. What are there others backend? Brave. Okay, Brave is right. 1 days ago. What if Brave instead of Brave? Duck go. All right. CDM. Mojek, Yandex, Yahoo, Okay, Yahoo is also great, but it's really classified this whole thing. What if I use something like this? Let's say I'm using Google and oh boy. Okay, what I'm doing is, instead of page content, which is page, I'll just do 10. That would be the same, right? Yeah, meet our docs. Yeah, that's be getting more and more less and less relevant. What if, yeah, max, yeah, max result 3, thanks. Max result, let's say I'll just go for 20. That's really, what if I go for 200? Okay, page 2. Okay, no. I want to get more results from DDGS. Why don't max results work? Okay. Okay, this is that. Alright, user password. Okay. Anyway, I don't wanna do this, which is, of course, this is what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 9. What if, in the query I'll still say weather of Japan, maybe something like that. Let's see how things goes. 3, 3, 9, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's. What if I just say, what is people Facebook? Facebook is really not good. Okay, 1. Whoa, what? 20. Okay. Alright. What if I just go on Facebook? What if what if scroll page? Search next page. We just need to just search the whole next page. What if I kept this whole Okay, anyway, let it go. Things are right here. Set page content, and there is a view page. Yeah, after setting the page content, I'll just call save view page. Yeah, that's right. Which also means that this is set page content. Let's go on this set page content itself, and since we already know what it is, then we will just get it. Where is this nice new page? Since this is the self contents, what if we wanna delete this self page? Nothing to show in this page. Okay. So what gonna we do is return view page, self view page. Oh, that's right. Oh, view page. Def, what's not? Oh, yeah. What we're gonna do is, first of all, we're gonna do this self dot tab, self dot current tab dot metadata actually, man, which is like this. No, append, which is now. This is what we have. Page content, we'll just set page content to content dot split. Yep. And then which is address bar. We already have set the address bar, right? Yeah, we already have set the address bar. Let's just do this. Okay. Holy fuck. Alright. Where was I? Holy crap, where was I? Okay. Page content, length of content. Yeah, and then we have to kind of no. Yeah. Alright, this is what we now have to, and this is length of content, start and end. Current inward, current start word is 0. Then what we're gonna have to do is just No. Since we already have this, then we just can, yeah, just set page content, everything is, yep, return nothing, and that's all things. Append, then view page. Oh no, wait. I just wanna show all those properties in this set address, set page content, and that's what we have to do. Like, okay, initialize the page. After initializing the page, I have kind of appended. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, this would be always the last. Fuck. Print maybe. I don't know, maybe print. Just wanted to do something. Let's see something then. We have white bread. Yeah, let's go. Let's eat. Oh, 3 बज गया. Okay, मुझे print करना चाहिए नहीं. No. But I think I should print since I'm returning this. Okay, maybe I should not print this. Maybe I just should print here only. Print. Just when I talk to you. Okay. Return sim to do. I just go in there and write some to-dos over here. When using this browser as tool, return initialize new tab. Okay. Instead of printing it. Alright. Nothing I've done, I think. It's just barely 2 lines, 200 lines of code. But yeah, it's getting too much complex. Not that much complex to be called too much. But we are getting somewhere. No. We also need to use the right. gonna give ID to each of them, and like for each ID I'll just remove basis of that ID one. I don't want my model to hallucinate actually. What if? A is equal to 1 2. Okay, for index dot item in enumerate a print index comma item. Okay, alright, and then what we're gonna do is a dot pop index 1, I guess. A. Okay, maybe I will give us some kind of index, total tabs, maybe something like that. Self dot total tabs equals 0. Okay. Alright. Tab index self dot total tabs. That will help, I guess. Okay, so first one is like tab index is okay. Okay, tab dot get यहाँ पे मैं kind of one I guess. Hey, a is equal to b is equal to 9 and b plus equal to 1 b. But why the fuck I forget that this fucks here also, but it doesn't, right? Yeah. Okay, so first of all, just let me get through this. Okay, into 80. Yeah, tab index get mod. What do you want to get page? Oh, sorry. What's happening? Tab index. Okay. Tab index. Search backend. What's no? Like address bar, just like this. Address bar, just this, and that's all we have. Length of content, maybe. Okay, maybe like length of content. Address. Length of content. Okay. Tab dot get. Length of content is, yeah, that's what we have. Yep, and this is what we got. What we're gonna return is return all tabs. Okay. Alright. What's gonna be have? Nobody's going to just. Oh, something gets small. Something got smaller. You cannot just keep this up. So all tabs, yeah, that's good thing. I will just check this and slip. Not simply. Fuck. What do we do? Show all tabs. Yeah, show all tabs is great. And then there is. Hey, everything's right? Yeah, everything is right. I don't know why the hell I'm panicking. View page. Yeah, view page. Let's do view page. Oh yeah, that's sales.com. Yeah, that one. I wanna change tab. Sales.current is your current. Change tab में ये होगा? I don't think so. Current tab. Oh fuck, there is no way. Current tab index. Damn it, there is no way. There is fucking no way. Index, that's all. Done. Tab index, nothing can be done. Yep. Yeah, that's right. Nothing can be done. Okay, tab index is just that. Okay. Total apps, nothing. No worries, bitch. Tab index and address bar. That's the thing. What we're gonna do is view page. Oh, how do I view the page? So what's gonna be printing the whole thing, right? Return. So what we're gonna do is सबसे पहले तो जो पेज कंटेंट है उसे प्रिंट करना है of the current tab, of course. Let me just run this. Shouldn't be ready right wrong. Okay. At first there will be each of those things. Like all those things. Then there would be this into 80, and then there will be page content, and then there will be an 80. Into 80. Actually this, but I've written somewhere, right? Yeah, this thing. Maybe I should just use this small thing inside this only. I did something elsewhere also, I guess. So all tabs. Yeah, that's also good. But elsewhere, more elsewhere. Where did I do that actually? Oh, nothing to show in this page. This one. Okay. What gonna be show here? First of this thing which I gonna show is this one. These ones actually. Okay. Current start. Yeah, there. Again, this is how should end. I'm already exhausting a lot of things. Oh fuck, what was that? Oh boy, this is where the page content would be. Yeah, page content. So मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा, यहाँ पे actually लिखूँगा page content, and here I will just do current start and current end. Current start से लेके current end तक, right? That's a page content. Then length of content, length of overall content. What is length of overall content? Is length of contents. Yeah, the page one. That should be the page one. Find on page Maybe like I should write def find on page self pass. Should write on this. Okay, length of the content. Current start word, current end word. Maybe I should start this dude. Start pointer. Start pointer. Start pointer word. Start word, current start word, current start end pointer, current end, length of overall content, length of whole page, length of whole page. That's what I am saying. Search backend, search backend, search backend, and this would be address bar. Address bar. Okay. Address bar, page content. I've already shown a lot of things. Jar. Okay. Search backend, I guess this. Address bar, this. Search backend. Search backend. And address bar is here. How the fuck that thing works? View page. Holy crap, I don't believe I made this out. Okay, it's kind of getting over 200 pages. Find on page. How does find on page works? How does find on... Oh, wait. Address bar, I will just have to, dot join, right? Page content. Yeah. How does address bar works? How does find like this, man? Let's say FD work. Let's say fix the body. I want to like find Control F. Yeah. Much. You see, this is how the things are. Highlight. Find. What the hell is this? Finding page. Print. Translate page. Oh, translate page. There is also translation available there. Oh, great. This would really help me a lot. If I'm just... And what about that? Yeah. I will just add to do write translating page. Write translate page feature to do translate. Maybe like what was that? Yeah. We get read PDF pages. Yep, that's the thing. Yeah, await. Would this work? Await. Anyway, what was I saying? Like history, bookmarks, history. What if history? Yeah, what if that would be history, right? And let's say history would be page history. I mean, think about it. When you search something, that would go there only, and when you want to back up, which is this, then what? Yeah, when you getting what is next button, right? Go back. Holy crap. Oh boy, that will take a lot of things. Read PDF pages. To do go back page. To do go back page, back and front page. Go back and front. Go back page, front page. मेरा सारा इसके लिए stack. Use stack, I guess. Use double stack. Yeah, use double stack. That's the thing. Okay, what next I want to do? Extension? No. Recent browsing. Yeah, the browser one. Can I do this? Browser one. Yeah, for the browser. History. AI browser. That won't be possible. Just this. Fuck. There's a lot of things. Yeah. I cannot do the same thing, you know. Yeah, this is really a lot of things. I may have to write a lot of things here. It's exactly 200.